Hello students, in previous part of this chapter we have read about some properties of the triangle. Now we will study about the triangles. So in your exercise there are two triangles given, that is equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle are those triangles which have all the three sides of any triangle. When they are equal to each other, they are known as equilateral triangle. When all three sides of any triangles are equal, then a triangle is known as equilateral. One more property an equilateral triangle has, that is each angle is equal to 60 degrees. That means equilateral triangle has two properties, that is all sides are equal and each angle is equal to 60 degrees, right? Or we can say all angles are equal, or we can say all angles are equal, right? So these two properties justify that is the triangle is equilateral. Let's study the other type of triangle, that is isosceles triangle. So second triangle is isosceles triangle. So any triangle which have two sides equal, is known as isosceles triangle. This can be like this also. If these two sides are equal, then it is isosceles. If these two sides are equal, then it is also a isosceles triangle. One more property is related with the isosceles triangle, that is the angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. What it means? It means these are two equal sides, so the opposite angle are these. These angles are also equal to each other. In this triangle, these two angles are equal to each other, and in this triangle, these two angles are equal to each other. That means two sides are equal and two angles are equal in isosceles triangle. Let's do exercise 6.4. which is related with these concepts. So let's do question number 1. So question number 1 says, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? Okay, before starting this exercise, let me tell you one thing, that is when we add the two sides of a triangle, suppose we have this triangle. When we add two sides of a triangle, that is always greater than the third side. What it means? It means if we add AB plus BC, this will always be greater than AC. Alright? Or we can say, if we add AC plus BC, that will be greater than AB also. Alright. So this is the property of the triangle which we will use in the exercise. So let's do question number 1. So question number 1 says, is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? So first question is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter, right? So if we add these two, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and third side is equal to 5, it should be greater than. So this is not satisfying the condition. That means this triangle cannot be established or cannot be made. Okay, let's do question number 2. So question number 2 is, take any point in the interior of triangle PQR. So we are given with a triangle. This is P. So sorry, this is R, P and Q, and this is the point O. So first question is OP. This is OP plus OQ. OQ is greater than PQ, is greater than PQ. So this forms a triangle, and triangle has the property that if two sides of a triangle are added, that will always be greater than the third side. So this means this condition is true for the triangle. Alright, let's do question number 3. So question number 3 is, AM is the median of the triangle. So we are given with a triangle. So this is the triangle given, A, B, C, and this is the median. Okay, this is the median given. Now, is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. So we have to prove that AB plus BC plus AC is greater than twice of AM. Okay, fine. Let's take triangle ABM. Okay, so in triangle ABM we have AB plus BM is greater than AM. Let's say this is equation number 1. Okay, now take triangle AMC. So in this triangle, AC plus MC is greater than AM. Say this is equation number 2. Now on adding, add equation 1 and 2. What we will get? We will get AB plus BM plus AC plus MC is greater than AM plus AM, right? So this will be, I don't know that will visible to you or not. So I am writing it here. Okay, so we get AB plus BM plus AC plus MC greater than AM plus AM. Now on adding, AB will remain same. BM and MC. BM plus MC will be equal to BC, right? And plus AC is greater than equal to, this is AM, this is AM, to AM. This proves that this condition as given is true. Alright. So other questions of the exercise are same.